welcome back to another cooking corner. I'm Miss Breanna, the Sprouts teacher here at the Well. So today we're going to make some apple sliders for you guys. This is a fun twist on apples and sun butter. Now for this recipe, what you'll need is apples cut into horizontal slices, sun butter or any nut butter of your choosing, honey, flax seeds, oats or granola, and a dried fruit of your choice. Now for time's sake, we've already cut our apples, cored them, and applied the sun butter. Next thing you're going to want to do is add a generous amount of flax seeds on top of that sun butter. Next thing you'll do is add some oats on there. Granola also will taste really well on this. And then your dried fruit. Today we're using raisins. Now for the best part, your honey drizzle. Go ahead and drizzle that honey onto each of your apple sliders. And there you have it. Your apple sliders are all done. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Be well, you guys.